Ugly spot, killer shot. Let's get to it. What's up everyone, my name is Sal Sincata. Today we are here in really ugly lighting conditions and kind of an ugly spot if we look at it. Not you, get out of the spot. You're making it look too good. But you know, we're kind of here, mixed lighting, very difficult situation. So maybe not super ugly, but challenging to say the least. So how do we change this? How do we make it look good? First thing we gotta do is show you a tool that we're using here. It's from Data Color, it's their light color meter. The lighting in here is a mess. So every light absolutely looks a different color. So we need to match this up. So I want to show you on my screen what's happening here. So as I'm moving the light meter around, you're going to see that that color temperature is moving and adjusting for what the actual color temperature is. And so this becomes really important if you want to get your color temperature absolutely right. So I want to match this on camera, but also match it with my light. So we're using the Nanlite wand for light here, and so the Data Color light color meter is telling me that the lighting condition here is 2870. Well, the lights usually don't give you that kind of movement and intense of measurement. It's in 100. So I'm setting the Nanlite wand to 2900, so that's going to be our main light. And then what I want to do is add a little more drama. So we're going to kind of shine another wand here on the background and change this to 5500. So we'll balance the camera and the key light to 2900. And then what we're going to do is have this at 5500, and that'll put a warm or a cool wash across the walls. You know, and the cool thing about this Data Color light meter, I mean, it just connects to your phone, the app's on your phone, and it's really a small form factor that you can have here, right? Just easy. One press, on and off, super easy to, it does look like a spaceship. Probably, I'm sure somebody has used it to create some sort of fake video. Okay, fits in a nice little pouch, easy to have in your bag with you at all times. Maya, we're gonna put you right there. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put Brandy over here. We're gonna work towards this light. Probably gotta back you out of that light. And then what I'm gonna do is take a low angle here so that I can block that. I need to shift you. I want that pose, but yeah, I want to have you centered in the mirror. So let's take this picture just with this light. Okay, I like the way this is looking here. I like the light, I like my angle. I love her pose, it just fits with this scene. Okay, let me get a few more frames here. Okay, let me adjust my ISO here. Work towards that light, Amaya. Yep, beautiful. Okay, great. So love what I'm getting here, but now I want that other light. So now we're gonna bring in 5500 here. We're just gonna kind of fire it across the wall and make sure we're hitting those, those pots or vases or whatever they are. I like that, okay? And then give me that pose again. I wanna work off that. Love that, don't move, okay? And I like this kind of blue glow we're getting behind her. Can you lift that light all the way up and shine it down? Yeah, I like that too. Pull it away from that wall a little bit. Yeah, there you go, there you go. Now we're cooking. I really like the way this is looking. Yep, stay there, Maya. Beautiful. Let me change my angle here. Maya, I need to shift you this way, sorry. I'm trying to get rid of that light on the wall. And I can edit that light out in post-production, but I just really rather get it right here as best I can. Okay, here we go. Good, working towards that light. Look right at that light, yeah. Make sure we get that on our face, yep. There we go, beautiful. Guys, I think this is pretty cool. Good, put both hands on here. Let me get a horizontal here. Yeah, my stance? Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah, I can go either way, you never know. Depends on what Amaya is doing. All right, here we go. Yep, stay there, Amaya. Beautiful, beautiful. Gorgeous. Work towards that light, Amaya. Gorgeous. Go both arms on there again. Yeah, on the counter. Yeah, hold that for me. I want to nail this. Rotate shoulders this way. Yes, face this way at that light. More face that way. Right there. Keep your eyes there, everything. Don't look back at your camera. Love this. Stay there, don't move. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Hopefully this inspired you and shows you how by using focal length, depth of field, and different lighting techniques, you can create your own killer shots no matter where you're at. So hopefully you're inspired. We'll see you in the next video.